So why would you even need a link shortener or a link mask? So link shorteners are great for reducing the characters that you might need for social media posts. They also help you to share other massive big long links to download files and to redirects, to affiliates, all sorts of other websites. You can get them down into short little URLs. You can also then replace these, Amazon with your own branded link by plugging in your own custom domains. So there is lots of use cases. The link shorteners also can add pixels to them so that you have tracking abilities, so that you can retarget people who have clicked through. They have got analytics so that you can see where the clicks are coming from, who is clicking where, how many times they've been clicked. So they give you a lot of data. So if you're doing digital marketing, then chances are you're going to be in the market for a link shortener. And I'm going to show you 3 alternatives to Bitly today. Pixel.2, this is a new player in the field and it looks very promising indeed. Shout out to the founder William on this one. It looks really good. Let's go in and see the back end of this. So I can bulk import, or I can just create a new link. So there's my link there. I don't have a custom URL connected to this one, but I'll just show you how easy it is to create a link. So say that I want to get a short link for this one because it's too long to fit into my posts. I can then add in some tags there to help keep my links organized and find them easy. I can add in the pixels from Facebook, Google tracking so that I can retarget anyone who clicks onto this link. I can then type in my title for my link here so that when it comes up I have a custom title. There we go, custom description, there we go, and then we can grab a screenshot of that URL to have as a little preview that'll come up, or else we can upload an image of our choice. There's a preview that's really cool, and if I clicked on that I could upload a image. I can then track where I put this, so maybe I put this underneath the YouTube video, so it's coming from YouTube, and we can put in then so can put in where it comes in and then the campaign. So we can save that and that'll create my short link here, and then I can just click on copy and go up to my browser and paste that URL, and that is going to then take me to the URL that I just shortened. Okay, and I didn't do that, right? So let's see. That's a perfect example now because I'm going to have to edit this. So we just go here and we just go to edit, and I just need to fix this up. There we go. We'll just save that and I will copy that again. Okay, so this is let's go back here. So we'll just edit this. That's the destination. Get that right. And we'll just copy that, put in our link shortened, and then that comes up. So it gives us statistics up here, but we can also then click on here to get a rundown of it. We can look through our different sources, our different mediums, and our different campaigns, and the clicks. We can see that it was either desktop or mobile, and we can see the location of where that click was coming from. You can see it in a map view or just a country list. So we can go all time, 30 days, 7 days, yesterday and today. We can do a bulk import. So if we are migrating from another link shortener like Bitly or something like that, then potentially we can just import them all into Pixel. And if we wanted to add our pixels, then we can just add our pixel here. So this is, from the ad providers. So if you're running ads on any of these platforms, you can just put in your pixels, just add it simply here. That way you can do retargeting ads really, really simple. In here we can add our tags, so just add that really simply, nice and easy. That way we can keep track of the links that we created. We also care about the users, so it's very easy to provide feedback for them. And if we were on the paid plan, we can easily then add our own custom domain, so it's branded domains. We can see our profile here, very easy. We have some preferences here, whether or not we want emails about updates and all that kind of stuff. And we can go into our admin section, and that way again, if you're on the paid plans, then you can, there's teams, so you can add team members in, and you just click that and invite them, name, email, and team member or admin. So it is a very, very easy link shortener to use, Pixel.2. And on the free version, you can add in 2 ad pixels or tracking pixels, and you can do 10 link shortens. So that's great to get you started, but let's have a look at their pricing. So for $30 a month, you get unlimited links, unlimited clicks, up to 10 team members, 10 custom domains, and they automatically generate SSL certificates on each of your links. You get the weekly reports and email support. If you need more than that, then they will customize the plan and you get priority support. So a competitor to the Bitly alternative Pixel.2 is Switchy. Now Switchy, if we look at their pricing, and they start at $47 a month for 10,000 clicks, 2 custom domains, and 1 user. So if we compare these 2 tools just on the pricing factor alone, for $30 a month, you get unlimited clicks and unlimited links, 10 custom domains, $30 a month. Switchy is $47 a month for 2 custom domains and only 10,000 clicks and 1 user. Pixel has 10 users, 10 custom domains, and unlimited clicks. So far, if we're going for the most value, then Pixel.2 is definitely up there with the most valuable link shortener that is available on the market today. So you can get Switchy cheaper by paying for a yearly plan. Pixel.2 does not have a yearly plan, but Switchy.io gives you 2 months free essentially for going onto that, and it just goes up and up and up and up until the over $1,000 a month, 3.5 million clicks, 125 custom domains. So if you're an agency, Switchy has all the plans up there. With Pixel.2, they'll accommodate you and you just contact them and they'll figure out the pricing for you. But that is not the, so actually let's just have a look at the Switchy interface and let's see what we can do inside. So Switchy has different workspaces that you can do, so you can switch between workspaces. So if you're an agency, you can just click on different clients' accounts there and keep them tracked there. It also has folders to help you organize. So I can go into my different brands and I can have all these in my folders to keep them organized, and I can just keep creating new folders and have all of them there. These are all the links that I have got created. So they both do QR codes that you can just download, With Switchy, you can do a report link. So again, if you're agency, you can send that statistics off to your customer. You can easily edit them. You can share the link, you can copy the link, and you can view the stats right away. And you can duplicate the link, which is the same as pixel.to. So if we go to Switchy, then it is really easy for us we just put in the URL that we want, and we just click switch it up there, and there it is there. So if we needed to change that linked URL, we can do that up there. So we have other options here. We can do all different links, so it doesn't have to be necessarily, it can be for Skype and Messenger, all sorts of options that we can click on. We just add our pixels in here, and we can then just add a new pixel right then and there. We can add in our campaign, our UTM tags here, and we can create templates from that, so that we can just easily put in templates. We can change the image, we can change the headline and the description as well, and then we can choose our custom domains, or we have a choice of 2 Switchy defaults. So we have a small and a larger one, and we just put in our custom domain here, whatever it is that we want to change it to. We can then just select our folder here. In the advanced options, we can add notes to help us remind what it is. We can do deep linking. I have not used this before, but that is something that we can do. We can embed our links with widgets. So on our websites, we can put that in, and we can cloak our links. I haven't really used the link cloaking either. It's got the A/B testing, a rotator, so you can put a couple of links in here and let Switchy send off a certain percentage to one link, a certain percentage to another link. So you can test different landing pages or whatever it is that you want. You can add geolocation redirections in. So depending on where they are located, you can direct them to a different URL, and you can put an expiry on the link. You can add a password to the link, and you can also put in you can also have a GDPR pop-up come up to let people know about privacy and how you'll be using the tracking information that you are obtaining. So you can change the favicon. A favicon is just a little icon that comes up in your URL, and then when you click create new link, that'll just simply create another link for you. So on the side then we have the option where we can create smart pages, so we can easily just click on here and create landing pages for our offers, for contacting us, link bio, and so these are just the templates. So they've got a simple landing page builder built in, and here's the different categories of their templates. Go back to home. So they've got a Chrome extension as well. So as you're browsing the internet, you can just click on the Chrome extension and you can easily get a link shortener and changing all the settings as well. Each option has a help link so that it explains what it is and what you are doing. It's got integration, so you can connect up your different tools with here, so you can connect it up with different apps. Again, it's not something that I have done, but it's just showing you the functionality that you can do with Switchy. And so just heaps and heaps of things that you can integrate it with these deep links. So they got then help center, so all the tutorials and information to help explain the different features and how they can benefit you. And then you've got your account information where you can add team members in. They got a referral program, they got your billing information, and then your user information is all there. Then they've also got your settings. In settings, you can set up your pixels and you can put in your templates here. You can add your widgets and set up your privacy pop-ups. You can manage your links with your passwords here, and you can put in your logo, and they have an API key that you can use with your links as well. So you can see that Switchy, for the higher price, does have quite a number of extra features that warrant that higher price. So it really depends on what your use case might be and how you might want to use these tools. But the cheapest link shortener that I have found on the market is LinkShort. So LinkShort, it does statistics, and you can add your pixels. You can redirect based on the country, platform, or language. You can add your own custom domains as well, and you can put private passwords on it. You can also add your campaign information. So in the back of LinkShort, it shows you your links. It shows you the most popular links, so you can just click on view all and you can see all your links. Oh, let's log in so you can see it. There we go. So we can click on here and we can see all our links. So instead of having folders, LinkShort has spaces. So we just go in here and we can create space, and we can just copy our links as we need them, but we can also open up the stats. We can open it directly from there, or we can share that URL. So in our advanced options, so we just put in the link here that we want to change over. We just do our custom domains here, so we can add them in, and then what do we want on the back end of that link. So whatever it is that we want to put there, we can put in. We can add our space. We can add our password in there if we need. We can put an expiration. We can do expiration links after a certain number of clicks. So say that you're running a campaign and basically it's limited to the first 5 people who click. You can just add that in there, so it'll expire after 5. You can put in your password here so that it's password locked. You can put in an expiry date if you want. You can put a timer on here if you want. So if for the next 20 minutes only, or it ends of the month, you can take down these offers. You can see the stats. You can either have them as public, private, or password protected, and you can add a disabled function in here, so you can disable the link in here as well. So then we can do our targeting, so we can add in countries. We can target by platform. So basically, if they're going and using it on Android, then we want to send them to this link. If they're using this language, we want to send them to this link. And we want to rotate, the A/B testing that Switchy had. So we want to rotate between these two. So it's a random rotation. So kind of the A/B testing. And depending on how many links you have, so that would be like 33% to 33.3% to each one of these, 25% there, or else we can do none. So it's very, very handy there. We can click on our preferences here and it will take us to our settings. There we go, where we got our domain, and basically it's got our changing simple stuff that we were already able to do in the back screen. So it's pretty redundant, I feel. Right, let's go back into our advanced options. So here is your pixels that'll come up, and you can just select which pixel you want to have associated with that link. And in here, then you can put in your campaign, your marketing tracker, so you can understand where customers are coming from, really nice and easy. So the source, the medium, the campaign, the term that you have, and the content type potentially is all accessible for you to put in. So then on the side dashboard, we just add our pixels. So again, if you're wanting to do retargeting on people who have selected, and basically this just has options for Bing, Facebook ads, and Google Tag Manager. So it doesn't have the same options, it doesn't have the same variety of options that Pixel.2 or Switchy.io has. In domains, this is where you just add your custom domain here. So very easy, go into your DNS records and you can just change it over with an A record. Switchy uses a C name record. LinkShort uses an A record. Links is all the links that I have. So we can see all the links here. So spaces, like I said, this is just like having folders just to help you organize your different links. So LinkShort comes with unlimited links, unlimited custom domains, unlimited clicks. It's basically unlimited, 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 unlimited. So you would have to, if you're using this for agency or for multiple businesses, just separate them up into different spaces. And then they have a training area, which just basically gives you very simple information on how to connect up your custom domain. Okay, and they have a couple of YouTube videos just helping you to set up that custom domain. And that's basically it with a LinkShort. So LinkShort is the cheapest. It's pretty much everything unlimited for $15. So what LinkShort does is it basically provides you with this service as a means to get you onto their email list. Basically, it is a cheap lead magnet for the developer, and then they are able to share with you some of their other cool tools that they have. So that is how they can, that's how they warrant charging such a cheap price, is that they have other tools that they promote with it, but you can always unsubscribe to those emails, so it's not like you have to do it, just like any other lead magnet. So you can see with these options, between the options, just how easy Switchy makes everything, how right in the creating link you can change and add templates and do everything that you need all within this one page is very, very handy. The fact that as you're on the go, you can easily do pretty much all the same stuff using the Switchy extension, and the amount of features that it has with smart, like a landing page and everything on it, that Switchy's is by far the most feature tool out there. LinkShort is by far the cheapest tool out there, which does have some pretty cool features available to it, but it's not really actively developed. Basically, what you see is what you're going to get. I haven't really seen that much updates when it comes to LinkShort, whereas Switchy is actively updating and making their tool better, adding different integrations. They added that smart pages, landing pages, so they're still developing it and adding to it. And Pixel is similar. Pixel is very new and they are still developing it and adding features to it. So out of those, so you have those three options are good alternates to Bitly, and it would just depend on your use case as to which one might be the most suitable for you. And I hope that has helped in showing you some of the link shorteners that are available and why you might want to pick one up and try it for yourself. So Bitly alternatives, Switchy, Pixel, and LinkShort. Check them out for yourself. Thank Thanks for watching.